In this example, we're going to be looking at simplifying algebraic expressions with two variables. So the first step, again, is going to be writing it out and separating to identify our terms. So we have 5y plus 3x plus 2y plus 2x. Now to split my terms, anytime I hear plus or minus, I'm going to draw a line. 5y plus 3x plus 2y plus 2x. So I'm going to start with my first term of 5y. And now I want to look for any like terms. And again, like terms are terms that have the same variable or variables raised to the same power or powers. So what I'm looking for is any other algebraic terms with just one y in it. 3x wouldn't be one. 2y is one. And that is it. So that is a positive 5y and a positive 2y. When we combine those, we are left with 7y. Then we have a positive 3x and a positive 2x. When we combine 3x with 2x, that leaves us with 5x. So we are left with 7y and 5x once we combine our like terms, which means our simplified expression is 7y plus 5x or 5x plus 7y. For our next expression, we have 6c plus 5d minus c minus 8d. So when we split here, I have 6c plus 5d minus c minus 8d. So looking for our like terms, I have a c here, so I'll start with a positive 6c. And then I have a negative c. Because that is by itself, it has a coefficient of 1 here. So I need to understand that there's a coefficient of 1. And that's actually a negative 1 because it is a negative c. So I have 6c minus 1c, which leaves us with 5c. For the next pair of like terms, we have a positive 5d and a negative 8d. So I have 5d and a negative 8d. And when we combine those, if I have 5 positives and 8 negatives, that leaves us with 3 negatives. So I'm left with a negative 3d. So the remaining terms, once we simplify, are 5c and a negative 3d. So our answer, or our simplified expression, can be written as 5c minus 3d, or we could write that as a negative 3d plus 5c.